Electronic sensor, LEDs, 220 ohms resistor, active buzzer, breadboard, Arduino Uno board.
Keeping your private things safe from intruders can be a challenging job. But with the Security Alarm project, it is easy to keep your accessories safe. Circuit makes a sound via a buzzer when an object comes near the sensor. The distance to which the sensor will respond can be easily adjusted in the program.
The steps are define echo 2, define trig 3, define out A 8 slash red LED, define out B 9 slash green LED, define out C 10 slash buzzer. Float duration, time taken by the pulse to return back. Float distance, one-way distance traveled by the pulse. Cons intruder distance 10, the minimum distance up to which the sensor is able to sense any object. Void setup, pin mode, trig output, pin mode echo input, pin mode out A output, digital write out A low, pin mode out B output, digital write out B low, pin mode out C output, digital write out C low. Serial begin 9600.
Void loop. Type measurement. Distance. Float duration. 0.0343 slash 2. Calculate the one-way distance traveled by the pulse. Serial point println. Distance. Alarm condition. Void time measurement. Function to measure the time taken by the pulse to return back. Digital write, trig, low. Delay microseconds 2. Digital write trig, high. Delay microseconds 10. Digital write trig, low. Duration, pulse length, echo, high. Void alarm condition. Function to execute the output commands based on the sensor input. If distance, intruder distance. Digital write out a high low. Digital write out B low. Analog write out C 200. Else digital write out A low. Digital write out B high. Analog write out C 0.